What's up, everyone? We got the Envoy up on the hoist. We got one more thing to do before we can take care of the alignment. I'll show you what we got going on. Just taking care of a leaky transfer case seal. Okay, so there's our transfer case rear output seal, leaky. So pretty easy one to change. You just have to pull the drive shaft out. I'm gonna mark where the drive shaft is sitting so I can put it back to the same spot. Pull the U-joint straps off. We'll pull the drive shaft out, knock that seal out, put the new one in, top up the fluid, and we're ready to move on with other things. Alrighty, we're gonna remove the old seal. This one's pretty easy to pop out. You can come in here from the back side with a long pry bar and grab onto that lip and just hopefully drive it out. Like I said, these seals come out super easy and they're never a pain in the ass. Ever. Easy peasy. Fuck's sake. Here's a little trick. If you're installing a seal and you don't have the proper seal driver that supports the seal lip, and you're concerned about that spring, the tension spring popping off, easy thing to do is just take some Vaseline and you can pack that backside of the seal and it's going to hold that spring in place so it's not going to fall off and you won't have any problems. Vaseline is a petroleum grease with a really low melting point. So once that thing gets up to temperature, it's just going to blend in with the rest of the fluid and it's not going to harm anything, not going to react poorly with anything. There you go, TicketyBoo. I like to take a piece of emery or something like that and then just clean out any debris or any nicks that are in there, any leftover crap from the old seal. Usually it's pretty good. Alrighty, now the seal has a little drain hole here, so that's going to go down. They have a little notch that dictates or shows you where up is, so you can just locate that so it's orientated properly, and take something that's not going to damage the seal. So this is just a piece of 3-inch exhaust pipe. It's going to go put pressure on the flange of the seal, and I can go and use that to install my seal. Line up our marks that we need, so we're indexed again. Put our U-joint straps back on and tighten, and then just top up our transfer case fluid. Do yourself a favor and take a second to clean out any of the dirt and crap that's in the drain plug or the fill plug, whatever you're trying to take out. That way you'll get the full engagement of the Allen head and it's not going to round and strip. Now, I have not found a really good suction gun. I've tried Mac, I've tried Snap-on, I've tried Napa, Princess Auto, whatever you have around. I've tried most of them. So I just take to unscrewing the lid. I know it's going to make a mess, and that's just part of it. So this is just an ATF in this transfer case. I'll screw the lid on, and then I can put it in the fill hole, fill it up, top up our level. Oh, our tea case is pretty empty. Gonna need more. I guess that makes sense because we just fixed the leak, right? Plan ahead, have rags, be able to clean up the mess that these stupid suction guns make. Wow, I need more. Oh, no, we're good. Fluid is just leaking out. Now we can put our drain or our fill plug back in, tighten it up, and we are good to go. Clean up our mess, let the truck down off the hoist.